Ladies and gentlemen, for decades together, not just the faith of Hindus, but even archaeological reports and very recently the Supreme Court's judgment have been questioned. Despite clinching proof, there is a lobby that continued to mislead Muslims, claiming that there was no proof of whether there was a Ram Janma Bhoomi and whether it was actually a mythical. But today, while digging land for the construction of the Ram Mandir after the Supreme Court verdict in November last, the truth of Ayodhya has emerged in the form of physical remnants. On the case tonight, I'm going to tell you the 4 things that were excavated in the latest excavations, which could and actually should put to rest all the existing doubts. At 5 feet, a shivling was unearthed during leveling of the ground, clearly proving that there was a Hindu place of worship at the site. A structure of a Purna Kalash, the pot of abundance, depicted as a pitcher with foliage, known to be a symbol of prosperity in Hinduism, was also found etched on a pillar. Terracotta figurines shaped like Hindu gods and goddesses were also excavated, and there couldn't be any greater proof since depicting humans and animals is considered haram in Islam. And a malak, which is a lotus-shaped stone disc that is usually found on top of a shikara of Hindu temples, these were symbiotic seat of the deity in temples, and that was also found today. Now you judge for yourself. Is there any room for doubt if there was a Hindu structure beneath the Babri Masjid? That's the real question. So, ladies and gentlemen, on the News Hour tonight, we ask the legitimate question: will the new evidence now, can anyone still deny the Ram reality? That's the question and the debate. Ram Mandir existed. That's the hashtag and the debate on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
And joining me tonight, Gaurav Bhatia, national spokesperson of the BJP, Shehzad Poonawala, lawyer, T.A. Rahmani, president of the Muslim Council of India, M.C. Abbas, political analyst, Atikur Rahman, Islamic scholar. But tonight, my first question goes to Vinod Bansal, spokesperson of the VHP. And Vinod Bansal ji, I want to ask you, आज ये जो निकली है, जिसको एविडेंस कहा जा रहा है, इस पर बहुत लोगों ने सवाल ये उठाए हैं कि ये जो निकाला है एक्सकवेशन के द्वारा, ये जो चिन्ह निकले हैं, ये जब तक ASI द्वारा दोबारा सर्टिफाई ना हो, इनका कोई रियल मीनिंग नहीं है. और ये एक्सकवेशन से कुछ okay, we seem to have lost that line, but the information that we've got today, Gaurav Bhatia, clearly shows that people are still questioning that this is actually a propaganda by the BJP ahead of elections in West Bengal and Bihar.
There is a section in India, Navika, which will not refrain from questioning the findings and revelations that we have seen today. And these are the same people who even questioned the verdict of the Honorable Supreme Court. They were casting aspersions on the judges of the Honorable Supreme Court. But one thing which I think is very heartening, that the Allahabad High Court has first ruled in favor of the Hindu community, and then the Supreme Court gave a unanimous verdict. I will repeat, a unanimous verdict. A bench of 5 judges, they held that where the Babri disputed structure was constructed was not on a vacant land. And it also, and I'm now referring to the judgment, it said faith of Hindus that Lord Rama was born at the disputed structure is undisputed. So one thing is clear, that very soon we will have a magnificent temple coming up at Ayodhya, and these naysayers, the pessimists and the lobby will continue to rake these questions. But after the Supreme Court verdict and today, whatever has been excavated has reaffirmed the findings of the Honorable Supreme Court, and I think it is a matter of time that we will have a huge temple at Ayodhya.
Rahmani Sahab, आज भी कोई डाउट है आपके मन में? क्योंकि तब जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट का वर्डिक्ट आया था, बहुत लोगों ने सवाल खड़े किए थे कि ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी है जस्ट बिकॉज देयर इज अ गवर्नमेंट, it is taking a majoritarian view. Many people had even said that ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट जो है हमें acceptable नहीं है. Today I want to ask you, more evidence has come out. I also want to ask you, for the last 136 years, जब तक the masjid side has been opposing the existence of a temple, today when you see these evidences, do you feel a little sense of remorse के शायद ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था?
No, Navika, what I feel that there are some people, some lobbies who are trying to challenge the Supreme Court verdict on the count that whatever the Supreme Court has observed that there was no demolition before the construction of that mosque. Number one. Number two, the Supreme Court has very categorically said that there was no appearance of any Rama idol at the site on December 1949. So these are some observations that the Supreme Court has given. I think the new lobbies are trying to generate a doubt on that Supreme Court verdict, which has been admitted by each and everybody. There was no challenge. It was just a curative measure allowed by the law that the some parties has gone for the review petition, etc., which has been rejected. But the observation remains unchallenged that there was no appearance of any idol, there was no demolition of any temple, there were no evidences that any temple exists before
so today the evidences which have come out, they are unreal, you are saying. They are imaginary, unka koi tathya nahi hai. Let me tell you facts. Let me tell you facts, and this is my fact check number one. 1976-77 excavation findings said 12 pillars made from temple remains had been found. Also, Ashti Mangala Chinhas, 8 auspicious symbols had been found. But these were challenged by left historians like Romila Thapar, D.N. Jha, R.S. Sharma, who said, nahi, koi temple nahi hai. The fact is, B.B. Lal, DG ASI reiterated, found Hindu temple.
Said that they did not admit.
आप देखिए, ये दिख रहा है, स्क्रीन पर दिख रहा है जो जो नजर आया था तब. आज तक आप उसको झुटला रहे हैं. 1976, 1977 excavation findings said terracotta human figurines, which is haram in Islam, and this was challenged by a writ petition that a Buddhist structure remains as per 1862 ASI report. The fact is, the ASI had said Buddhist link to Saket, old name of Ayodhya. No conclusive proof that there is that this Ayodhya is the Saket that they were talking about. I want to get in Vinod Bansal ji. Vinod Bansal ji, at every step there has been a lobby of left leaning, left.
All the observations by the court.
रहमानी साहब, थोड़ा मैं बंसल साहब से भी सवाल पूछ लूं. बंसल साहब, every step of the way from 76 and of course for a century before that, they have been questioning कि यहाँ कभी मंदिर था ही नहीं, and no, the Babri Masjid was not made on top of a mandir. Today, they say even the Supreme Court did not find any Ram idol there, so it can't be Ram Janmabhoomi. अब जो आज की जो एविडेंस आपने बताई है, उसको ये कह रहे हैं कि एएसआई से आप एक्सकवेशन कराइए, सर्टिफाई कराइए. अरे पहले जब एएसआई ने बताया था तो कौन सा इन लोगों ने मान लिया था?
ये वो लोग हैं जो कि किसी फैक्ट एंड फिगर को, या कोई संवैधानिक बात हो तो वो तो एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं होती इन लोगों को. बात ये एएसआई को मानते नहीं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट को मानते नहीं, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को मानते नहीं, बार बार जो है, और राम को ये मानते नहीं, और बाबर को ये जरूर जानते हैं. बाबर के साथ जरूर संपूर्ण मुस्लिम समुदाय को एकत्र करके रखना चाहते हैं. बाबर के साथ, औरंगजेब के साथ में, हुमायूं के साथ में, और ये मोहम्मद गजनी और गौरी के साथ में, ये संपूर्ण मुस्लिम समुदाय को जोड़ के रखना चाहते हैं. दे आर देयर हीरो, बट अ ट्रू हीरो शुड बी एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम. ये जो है उनको नहीं मानते. दुर्भाग्य देश का यही है कि राम के बारे में जब इनको पता है, हम भी राम के वंशज हैं और देश राम का है, इसमें कोई जरा नहीं है, लेकिन राम को मानेंगे नहीं. ये अंदर से मानते होंगे, लेकिन टीवी चैनल की डिबेट में बोल सकते, ये भी एक मजबूरी है। मजबूरी ये भी है कि इनको पता है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट आ चुका, उस पर कोई भी कमेंट करने से कोई बनना बिगड़ना नहीं है।
But we are not with any kind of falsehood. You raised a movement based upon the total falsehood, and the Supreme Court has declared that that was a false movement. With 30 years of falsehood, 30 years of falsehood, you are responsible and you are
रहमानी साहब, you know, आप अगर हमेशा बोलते रहेंगे तो दूसरों की आवाज नहीं आएगी। मैं आपको इतना समय दिया था। I want to get in आतिकुर रहमान। रहमानी साहब कहते हैं आज जो मिला है सो ठीक है। ठीक है क्या? या तो ये कह रहा है, ये जो एविडेंस आया है, that there was always a temple there. For centuries, 1.5 centuries, we have tried to deny this fact. And even when the judgment came in last November, all sorts of comments were made, aspersions were cast on the judgment that came from the Supreme Court by a 5-judge bench. I want to ask you, Atikur Rahman, today, is there some sense of remorse? Is there some sense of acceptance that Hindus in this country have been denied their right of a temple in Ayodhya by means which we don't know why those means were adopted?
Well, Navika ji, so let me put down the founding fathers of this lobby who are trying to create a sense of, this thing that there never existed a temple. The first member of this founding fathers was Tulsidas himself. When he was writing the Ramayana, Navika ji, 46 years had passed wherein Muslims were offering prayers at Ayodhya at the same site in the same Babri Masjid. Why didn't this lobby member Tulsidas not mention that his Lord Rama's place has been usurped by these Muslims? Second lobby member was Emperor Babur himself, Navika ji, wherein in the Baburnama there is no mention of any Rama temple being demolished to build the Babri Masjid, wherein in those times the emperors used to create a sense of pride when they used to demolish any Hindu temple. The third member of the lobby, Navika ji, was Abul Fazl, wherein in the Ain-e-Akbari he mentions the name of Ayodhya, the city of Ayodhya, inch by inch, but never mentions the demolition of a Rama temple to build the Babri Masjid by his own emperors, the Mughals. Fourth member of the lobby, Navika ji, was all the contemporary historians and writers from the 17th to the 18th century who never mentioned any Vaishnava presence in Ayodhya. Leave aside the presence of Rama temple. So what are you talking about? These were lobby members.
I'm talking about more evidence that has come today. I'm talking about the ling. I'm talking about the pillars. I'm talking about the sculptures on them. आप स्क्रीन पे हैं. अगर आप आंखें खोल कर देखें तो आपको भी दिखेगा. शहजाद पूनावाला. I want to ask you. They were in denial for 130 years. They were in denial even after the Supreme Court judgment. They are in denial even today. Is denial a position that they will maintain despite every evidence? So in which case, why did we even waste so much time to collect evidence? Because evidence is not the question. They are in denial and they think it's their right that position, that location is not given to the Hindus. It's got nothing to do with evidence. Isn't that the position they are taking even today?
Now, I hope Mr. Atikur Rahman will hear me as patiently as I heard him. If we go by Atikur Rahman's logic, then by that logic, does he mean to say that all these shivlings and all these other things that have been found, they are Islamic structures, that they are allowed in mosque? So is he saying that there is a shivling allowed in a mosque? Please, I have not interrupted, Navika ji. I have not even spoken for 5 seconds. He has started his azan.
The VHP did it. Now, whatever they
Can
are
I
coming
complete
out
for
with
at least 30 seconds,
cannot
Mr. Atikur Rahman? I did
cannot
not
be
interrupt
trusted
you.
upon.
Atikur Rahman,
Navika, it is becoming virtually impossible when you do not have basic manners on the panel.
You made your point, Atikur Rahman. Let me get in Shehzad. Let him make his point, and then I will come back to you for a rebuttal.
No, he cannot lie, but
आपका एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है जिससे
But you
बाकी
cannot
लोग
be my
agree
class
नहीं करते
monitor.
तो वो
Let
लाई है
Navika
क्या?
decide.
All right, 1 minute. Just hold on. Allow
Navika,
Shehzad
you
to
give
now.
me 30 seconds to make my points. I anyways have only 30 seconds to speak. Yeah. Thank you. Now, Navika, let me sum it up because I know Mr. Atikur Rahman can't be patient for more than 40 seconds. So I'll sum it up in a small poem that I've written. मिला राम लल्ला की अयोध्या में साक्षात सबूत, फैलाया गया था 70 सालों तक राम विरोधियों का झूठ। राम विरोधी पिला रहे थे हमें इरफान हबीब और रोमिला थापर के जहर का घूट कि बाबर वॉज महान, ही वॉज नाइदर अ रेपिस्ट, ना मंदिर तोड़े ना किया उसने कोई लूट। आज मैं पूछना चाहता हूं इन तमाम राम विरोधियों से कि बता दो मुझे कि क्या तुम राम भक्त हो या हो बाबर की सपूत। क्योंकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी कहा था, जो गलत कोर्ट किया जा रहा है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा था कि नीचे इस डिस्प्यूटेड साइट के है एक स्ट्रक्चर जो है अन इस्लामिक स्ट्रक्चर, नॉन इस्लामिक स्ट्रक्चर। अब अतीकुर रहमान बताइए कि ये नॉन इस्लामिक स्ट्रक्चर, ये आपकी मस्जिद में शिवलिंग थे, आपकी मस्जिद में ये जो तमाम चीजें दिख रही है ये मस्जिद में था। अरे सर, कितना झूठ बोलोगे, कितना गुट्टी पिलाओगे? या आप बाबर के साथ है या राम के साथ है, आप बताइए आज।
may I come in, Navika ji?
Yes.
Navika ji, these are the idols, these are the siblings which were played by the BJP, and even the police record of Ayodhya after the demolition on 6th December of the Babri Masjid.
Oh,
the VHP
so
had
big claim.
जमीन के नीचे कैसे प्लेस हो गए?
1992, after the
जमीन के
demolition of the
नीचे
Babri
कैसे
Masjid, the
प्लेस हो गए?
BJP
क्या बोल
put
रहे हैं?
the shivlings and the pillars over there. गौरव भाटिया, आपने रखा है, आपकी पार्टी ने रखा है। बाबरी मस्जिद को गिराने के बाद ये सब वहां पे, this is planted propaganda. The charge is made by Atikur Rahman on the news tonight.
Yes, Atikur Rahman, please listen to me. I heard you very patiently. A very big admission on your program has been made, Navika, and we should emphasize on that again. Atikur Rahman said that it is an admitted fact that the Mughal dynasty had demolished temples. He admitted that. So if they demolished temples,
they had demolished temples.
Then okay, hear me out, sir. Hear me out. गुस्सा मत होइएगा, नाराज मत होइएगा.
No, I am
Then I
not
think it
naraz.
is time that you and entire community should first of all apologize to the Hindu tolerant community, and second, offer the possession of all such temples and areas. Second, these people, Navika, they have faith in Babarnama. They do not have faith in the Honorable Supreme Court, which has given a very extensive judgment after considering all evidence, ASI report, travel log. And after that, they have come to the conclusion that the land belongs to the Hindu community. I am so surprised that atrocities are being justified today. And one more point, you know, it is to the credit of the tolerant Hindu community, they are able to say, Lord Rama का proof, मैं अभी इनसे कहूँ, Prophet मोहम्मद का proof दो, या मस्जिद का proof दो, तो ये लड़ने लगेंगे, इनको बुरा लग जाएगा. इसीलिए कह रहे हैं, don't mistake our tolerance for our weakness. The Hindu community believes in coexistence, but do not justify the illegal acts, the barbaric acts of the plunderers like Mughal.
Atikur
May I
Rahman,
come in, Navika ji? May I?
yes.
Yeah. Now, if Gaurav Bhatia today is having full faith on the ASI, Mr. Bhatia, tell me, the Allahabad High Court told the ASI to keep a...
I am a soldier of the Supreme Court. I have full faith in the Constitution of India. I have faith in the Prime Minister of our country. I have faith in the Honorable Supreme Court of them. And thank you.
Sir, the Allahabad High Court told the ASI to keep a separate
अरे ये
evidence
सुप्रीम कोर्ट
and a
की बात
book
करिए ना,
for
इलाहाबाद
the-
हाई कोर्ट का जजमेंट हैज मर्ज्ड विद द सुप्रीम कोर्ट verdict. Supreme Court gave up
Sir,
unanimous
no,
verdict. Why
no.
judges?
You for-
And I've been-
Atikur Rahman, you're
Mandir,
obfuscating
we
the
do not
issue.
have
Let me
any
get in MC
objection.
Abbas.
But
MC
your
Abbas,
Asman
MC
Chuta
Abbas का
Mandir
charge made by
throughout the
Atikur
world will be
Rahman.
known
Atikur
for
Rahman says
usurpation
ये
of
जो आज आप
power,
देख रहे हैं,
Hindu
एक तो ये हिंदू टेम्पल का नहीं है,
the
और अगर
right
है
of the
भी तो
minority
ये
people
1992 बाबरी मस्जिद डेमोलिशन के बाद बीजेपी ने वहां रखा है. Do you also agree with that?
Navika ji, Atikur Rahman Sahab is entitled to opinion. I have my opinion. I shall share with you. Vinod Bansal Sahab, जो विश्व हिंदू परिषद के राष्ट्रीय प्रवक्ता हैं, he said something very beautiful. I'd like to credit him for that. जनाब विनोद बंसल साहब, जैसे आप हमारे प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद का आदर सम्मान रखते हैं, हम भी भगवान राम का भी सम्मान रखते हैं, क्योंकि निरादर या आदर दोनों तरफ से होती है. उसी के साथ मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा, अनडाउटेडली नाविका जी, दिस वाज अ लैंडमार्क जजमेंट लेड बाय चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया श्री रंजन गोगोई साहब, डीवाई चंद्रचूड़ साहब, अशोक भूषण, जस्टिस नजीर ऐसे बोबडे साहब. But the point here is what happened on the day of the judgment, irrespective of the fringe elements across the world, all through the India. What did we see? At Ayodhya, we saw Maulvis Pandit coming together, celebrating as a universal fraternity. But what remains unquestioned here? What remains unquestioned is, we did see that Buddhist remnants was one of the thoughts. Vishnu relic was one of the thoughts. We also saw many of them which were self-contradictory, and also the ASI was found to be not conclusive. But the larger point I make here is,
ASI is not conclusive.
Asaduddin
ASI
Owaisi
not
does not speak
conclusive.
for
Let
all
me
the
play
Muslim
out.
of India.
Let me play
and I will
out
tell
my
you why.
fact check.
I'll just conclude
my
in
fact
10
check
seconds.
again.
I'll
KK
conclude.
Mohammed of
I'll
the
conclude in 10 seconds,
ASI.
Navika
This
ji.
is what he has repeatedly said. Let me put that in front of you.
Earlier, on the basis of the excavation carried out by the Archaeological Survey of India, a temple of 10th century and another a very big temple of 12th century was excavated. But this goes below that one. So that means right from 8th century, we had the constructions also, we had the temple remains also.
MC अब्बास वो कह रहे हैं कि 10th century और 12th century तो पहले भी दिखा था. Now this today's excavation shows that there could be remnants of an 8th century temple as well. Are you in denial of that as well?
There is also, Navika ji, there is also a side which comes from previously when I was watching Janab Rahul Shiv Shankar Sahab. So there was a representative from the Sunni Waqf Board side who also said that he was present during the excavations and he found it to be Buddhist remnants. Nevertheless, there are going to be theories, but the larger point, Navika ji, I'm going to make here is there in India, is there a court beyond the Supreme Court? No. There is a landmark judgment. We Muslim brothers, Hindu brothers need to come together, accept this judgment because it is over. We put an end. And what do we need to do? We need to help the Ram Bhakt, Shiv Bhakt, Guru Nanak Bhakt, Isa Bhakt,
Shehzad
Allah
Poonawala
Bhakt,
has a
who are
question for
migrant
you.
laborers.
Shehzad Poonawala.
Day in, day out, they are dying.
Shehzad
Lord
Poonawala
Sri Ram
responding
will
to
be
MC
happier
Abbas.
then.
Shehzad, go
We need to
ahead.
move on.
Shehzad,
Enough
you're
of
showing
Hindu
something on
Muslim
your phone.
communal
What's that?
angle here. We are done with Hindu-Muslim communal angle.
Buddhist temple
We
है,
do not
राम का नहीं है और कुछ भी हो सकता है.
We want to end this by accepting the verdict. There could be
Navika, just 10 seconds. I promise I'll finish in 10 seconds. Syed Abbas, give me 10 seconds.
The Supreme Court of
Give me
India
10 seconds, Syed. I did not interrupt anybody. I don't interrupt anybody. Give me 10 seconds.
No, MC Abbas.
These people, everybody,
it's
1
not,
second, sir, please.
It's not a speech. It's not a
Please
speech.
give me
You
10
made your
seconds.
point. You've made your point. Listen to the counter from Shehzad. Yes, Shehzad.
It's a mushaira it's become. Now give me 10 seconds. Navika, everybody is saying we believe in the Supreme Court. Now the Supreme Court came to a conclusion that contrary to what Atikur Rahman said, there was an underlying structure not placed by BJP RSS workers, and that structure was an un-Islamic or a non-Islamic structure. I want to ask Atikur Rahman and Syed Abbas, if you believe in the Supreme Court, believe that no BJP people kept it, and secondly, believe that it was an un-Islamic structure, or third, you tell me that in the masjid you had Kalash, you had Shivling, and you had all these Hindu deity murtis in a mandir, in a masjid, Atikur Rahman should take one of these three options. Which option is he taking? BJP RSS did not keep it, Supreme Court has said
friend,
it. BJP RSS को छोड़ दो, कोर्ट ने बोला है अंडरलाइन स्ट्रक्चर अनइस्लामिक था. क्या आपके मस्जिद में शिवलिंग था? हाँ या ना?
आतिकुर रहमान
मस्जिद में शिवलिंग था क्या?
आतिकुर रहमान मस्जिद में शिवलिंग था कि नहीं? हो सकता है कि
असदुद्दीन ओवैसी छोड़ दो, आपके मस्जिद में शिवलिंग था, कलश था.
May I please?
All right, आतिकुर रहमान.
जफरयाब जिलानी साहब ने भी क्या कहा?
Abbas bhai, 1 second. Navika ji, nowhere in the ASI report,
Go ahead.
nowhere it was found that any sibling, this is the first time on the debate I am hearing, on Times Now, that a sibling thing has cropped up. Now listen to me, please. The same ASI, why didn't it kept a separate record of the bone findings? Can you ask the ASI? Can you ask KK Mohammed Navika ji? Why the
जवाब नहीं है मेरी बात का.
सवाल का सवाल बता रहे हैं.
जवाब नहीं मिला.
सवाल का सवाल.
अब
जवाब तो दे दीजिए आतिकुर रहमान जी.
That was the Muslim
Why don't you answer the question?
Deliberately kept away.
Why don't you answer the question, Mr. Atikur Rahman? Atikur Rahman, the simple question is, can there be a shivling, can there be a kalash in a masjid? Yes or no?
This state of pre-existing temple before the coming up of the Babri Masjid, no doubt. But the shivling thing is being cropped up today only.
तो यही तो हम कह रहे हैं. मंदिर तोड़ के बनाया. हम यही कह रहे हैं.
Shivling does not. The name Shivling does not appear in the ASI report.
So you are admitting now that Babur had demolished a mandir to make a masjid. Dr. Rahmani, what would you say to Atikur Rahman? He says yes, a mandir was demolished to make a masjid.
No, demolition does not. There is no proof of any demolition.
Submissions. I think Atikur Rahman did not say what Navika you are quoting. What I want to submit, there are two very quick points. Number one, we have seen the tolerance level of the so-called community which Gaurav Bhatia and Vinod Bansal is quoting, that we saw that at 6th December 1992. That was the tolerance level we have seen, number one. And number two, I apprehend that they although they are allowed to construct a Rama temple there in Ayodhya, there is no hindrance now. They are very well allowed to go there and build a temple, a Bhavya temple. But now they are trying to reopen that case by submitting such kind of evidence which are totally uncalled for at this point of time.
विनोद बंसल जी इनका कहना है कि आपने ये डिबेट रीओपन की है ताकि आप इनके जख्मों को और ताजा कर सकें.
नहीं, जख्म तो होंगे अगर ये बाबर से जुड़ेंगे. जख्म तो होंगे.
ये बनाने नहीं चाहते वहाँ मंदिर. They are playing. It was a political issue and they want to continue with that political
politics. ये जख्म तो बार-बार होंगे. अगर ये गजनी के साथ जुड़ेंगे, जख्म तो इनको बार-बार मिलेंगे. अगर ये पाकिस्तान के साथ जुड़ेंगे,
जख्म नहीं दे रहे. नाविका ने गलत कहा. जख्म नहीं है. आप इंटरेस्टेड ही नहीं हो. आप इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हो. आप पॉलिटिक्स करना चाहते हो. आप पूरे कोरोना के फेलियर को टालना चाहते हो. आप इतने मीन लोग हो कि आप कोरोना के इस पूरे फेलियर को फिर एक बार रामचंद्र जी के कंधों पे डालना चाहते हो. अपने फेलियर को रामचंद्र जी के कंधों पे डालना चाहते हो. एक बार फिर राजनीति कर 30 साल झूठ की राजनीति करी है. 30 साल झूठ की राजनीति करी है. शर्मिंदा हो.
I want to ask you, Mr. Rahmani. I want to ask you, Mr. Rahmani, only one question. I want to ask you that if you are saying that the party BJP and the VHP have shown their real colors in 1992, everybody has said, and even the Supreme Court has said it was wrong, the demolition of the masjid was wrong. But I am asking you also that when you continuously deny the existence of a mandir over which the Babri Masjid was built, and more evidence keeps coming out, then you are also trying to indict a community which has a certain faith. Isn't that part of the problem as well?
at this point of time, this Muslim community, or we did not come up with any kind of new evidences, the so-called evidences. No, we said nothing, nothing about the mandir construction, etc. After the Supreme Court verdict, everybody is silent. It is the VHP which has come out with the evidences.
Sir,
that's why I said that they are not interested to build the Rama temple. Rather, they are going back to their politics.
This was not faith, it was fact.
How does it come down to Asta? MC Abbas and Gaurav Bhatia. MC Abbas, Dr. Rahmani says मंदिर बन रहा था, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कह दिया. पहले तो जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट का वर्डिक्ट आया था, many people questioned it. People questioned it that ये कैसे आया, ये verdict कैसे आया, and there were all sorts of allusions that were made. Having said that, I'm saying that the Hindu community, if they found something, why can't they not talk about it? Are they not supposed to look at the excavated evidences that they've got? Are they not supposed to say also in open कि भाई pillars मिले हैं, कलश मिला है, शिखर मिला है, कमल का चिन्ह मिला है वहां पे और शिवलिंग मिला है? तो ये कहने की भी इजाजत नहीं है क्या हिंदू कम्युनिटी?
नाविका जी, मेरा एक बहुत ही बिल्कुल आपने आपने बहुत अच्छी टिप्पणी की है इस बात की, एंड आई कंप्लीटली एक्सेप्ट इट. I'd also, in addition to what you said, I'd like to take a leaf of what you've made here. My simple question to Vinod Bansal साहब of the विश्व हिंदू परिषद. विनोद साहब, आप बताइए, कलश मिले, शिवलिंग मिले, सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट आ गया, 2.77 एकड़ आ गया, आपके हिस्से भव्य राम मंदिर बनेगा. अभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ऊपर भी कोर्ट हिंदुस्तान में नहीं है. अभी हम चलो एक्सेप्ट करके आगे बढ़ते हैं. तमाम मुसलमान समुदाय, थोड़े लोगों को छोड़ के,
विनोद बंसल साहब, you know, they are in this, they are right. They are saying कि आपका स्थान है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा आप वहां भव्य राम मंदिर बना सकते हैं और आप बनाने की शुरुआत आपने कर भी दी है. तो अब इस पर और ज्यादा टिप्पणी, और ज्यादा प्रूफ, और ज्यादा एविडेंस से हासिल क्या हो?
जी
नेचुरली देखिए, हम चाहते भी नहीं है, हम कोई एविडेंस प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर रहे. देखिए अभी जो उन्होंने बोला,
जजमेंट चेंज करेगा.
मैं पूरी करूंगा. देखिए,
आप जो भी मिले, आप जजमेंट बदल सकते हैं क्या विनोद साहब? बस जवाब दीजिए.
But the new evidence is coming out of the land. What we can say, whatever factor there, we have come into the picture. We have elaborated it. हमने सिर्फ और सिर्फ भारत को बताया है कि हमें समतलीकरण के दौरान ये चीजें मिली हैं. हमको एविडेंस नहीं प्रोड्यूस करने वाले. नेचुरली वो कोर्ट हैज ऑलरेडी गिवन द वर्डिक्ट.
आपने सिर्फ बताया नहीं है,
फिर से कम्युनल
डिवाइड किया है.
This is an issue once again of the way anybody thinks. If the masjid side says that where is the necessity of talking about these fresh evidences that have come out, why should they actually come out and make a big deal about a shilling found or a kalash found? That's the way the masjid side feels. On the other side, the Hindu side feels that why not? If they have found something new at the site, do they not have the right to claim that they have found this material? Should they not come out and say that their belief was not wrong all these years, even though it took 150 years to prove this in a court of law? Both sides have their point of view. But who's right? It's for you, the Janta, the Janardhan, to decide. The public will decide whether there is a need or whether there is not a need to even talk about something that has been found on the Ram Janmabhoomi site. You take a call and send us what you think about it. Thank you very much to my panelists, and thank you very much viewers for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Tomorrow is the scheduled big opposition party meeting where once again they will take on Modi. But latest reports that we are getting is the two big parties of Uttar Pradesh, both Mayawati and Akhilesh Yadav, not joining the Sonia Gandhi called opposition meeting. And news also coming in is that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, Chief Minister of Delhi and Aam Aadmi Party chief, will not be there. Once again, is the opposition looking rather scattered at this moment? And should they be concentrating on the fight against COVID or an opposition meeting to take on Narendra Modi? What do you think? We'll be back with all the details of that meeting tomorrow, same place, same time. Good night from me.